Good afternoon, everybody. As we all know why we have gathered here for mass protest against the Tripura police for that had happened on 8th January of 2019. I thank you, everybody, my seniors, my juniors, and my friends, that you have spared your time to come up here. So,
another injustice happened.
Yes, I thank you again from my heart. Now I would like to call upon our brother Alan.
So this is what
Come and sit here. So, He's the president of Manipuri Student Association Delhi.
And they're bringing others just for what?
HK Jamatia.
For what reason? I want to ask the central government. And I ask and I request central government, Mr. Prime Minister he said, Bhai or Behno. Are we not the Bhai or Behno? The northeastern people, the 8 states which are suffering most. Are we not the Bhai or Behno? The person who has been shot by God, that person has protected you. So, like, why these people, why our people is not getting justice? Why these northeastern people are suffering so much? Why you are bringing all the illegal immigrants to the northeast people? I want to ask Abhiji that if you really love them, take them to Gujarat and let them shelter there. Why only in the northeast? Why only northeast people? So I ask all other states who are still quiet, not raising their voice against citizenship amendment bill. Take them to your own states. They are big states. Not very small. India is such a big state. Take them there. We don't have any other issue. You love them so much. But not only in northeast states. This is what my request to our Prime Minister. Higher Behno is का थोड़ा सा आप respect कीजिए. हम भी आपके भाई बहन हैं. हम भी जनता जानवर हैं. इतना प्यार करते हो. हमें भी प्यार थोड़ा सा दिखाइए. This is what my request. हमें हम कभी भी रास्ते में जाते तो हमें बोलना चाहिए कि इलीगल इमिग्रेंट्स होके बोलते हैं कि ये लोग कहाँ से आए हैं हमने खुद के घर में इन आवर ओन पीपल हाउस आके मुझे मालूम है धमकाने हम रास्ते में चल रहे हैं हमें गाड़ी से निकाल के मारा जाता है इन 1997 हम लोग we are so much we love them so much in 1949. After 1949, they came to our place. We have given them shelter, we have given them food, we have given them everything. उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया? They started killing us. In 1980, they had killed all our people. So many people have been killed by them, by the illegal immigrants. Those times, there was no terrorist. So I want to ask that this is really reminding of the Jallianwala Bagh incident. When India was under British rule, like this there is a protest going on and the British government came and killed people, Indian people. So the same thing is happening right now. This is why my request is and we want CBI entry and we want justice. And we want, please stop this Citizen Amendment Bill. If you really love honesty, if you really love humanity, if our please stop this. Thank you.
हम सबको ये जानना होगा कि सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल पहले तो अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है कि किसी एक धर्म के आधार पर आप नागरिकता नहीं दे सकते, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के ही खिलाफ है। तो अगर आप डरते हो कि एंटी नेशनल एक टैग बहुत चल रहा है आजकल, तो आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट गवर्नमेंट इटसेल्फ इज एन एंटी नेशनल। अगेन एज वी ऑल नो, हम सब कहते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स, यूथ वो हमारे फ्यूचर होते हैं। हमें हमारे एक जनरेशन से और एक जनरेशन में ले जाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, यूथ होते हैं। उसी यूथ के ऊपर द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट, who have ordered to attack, firing on the students, on the youth, it shows that they want to destroy our future. They want to destroy our culture. It shows itself. Their action speaks कि वो लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारा जनरेशन खत्म हो जाए। That's why उस दिन 8 Jan को the state government ordered to fire on the peaceful protest of the students who were there to protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. I would also like to say that our CM Biplab Deb
Indigenous people, Dalit process, Tripura Topar, Tripura police, Tripura police, Tripura police, our land, Biplab Deb, Biplab Deb, Bangladeshis, Indian Constitution, Citizenship Amendment Bill, Citizenship Amendment Bill, Bangladeshis, Northeast India, we want justice, indigenous people, Tripura police, Biplab Deb, Bangladeshis, long live Tripura!
And today I speak on behalf of Manipur Students Organization Delhi, and I speak here today not so much as a citizen of this nation, but as a Manipuri first and a subject of this nation called India. So right now I do not, if someone would say that I am a citizen of this nation, I would say that I am that so only in relation to how much I am subjected as a not second class citizen, but as a subject of this nation, and how historically we have been oppressed by this very idea of the nation, and how the idea of this nation is manifested physically at different space here and there. You can say in Manipur or Nagaland or in Kashmir, or like here in the tribal areas of Bihar, Jharkhand, or any space of this nation. So today we have started a statewide campaign in Manipur right now, and yesterday we did a mass protest, and we had formed a joint body of student organization, we Masad, then SSUM, then AMSO, then APSUM, and RSF. And right now I will not talk entirely of this CAP. Rather, I will talk of this what actually is India and what actually is Northeast. So if we look at the very formation of this nation in 1947, post so-called independence, and how we have to relate to this specific year. So right now today, after this so many years of struggle in Manipur, we have to try to relate how were we back then and how are we right now. So 1947, Manipur existed as an independent nation, and in Southeast Asia we were the first nation to have election based on universal adult franchise, and we had elected assembly, and in 1947 we had our constitution, and in 1949 everything stopped. Historical process take a different turn in 1949, and yeah, it was our fate of some Tripura, Manipur. So we know what happened in 1949, our first merger to the nation called India, and today, very fortunately, today is the anniversary of statehood of Manipur, Tripura, and so how did we get that statehood? It was not something given by people sitting in the Parliament of Delhi. It was after a long struggle of 23 years, people were killed. People were injured in that 23 years of struggle for the demand of statehood. And yeah, Nagaland got very early, and if we even look at that phenomenon, it was only because the Naga people stood up very firmly, and they had taken up arms. So it is as if it is only when we take up arms that the people sitting in Delhi listen to us. So every means of democratic protest.
Of like Hambai, sini media channels rock no, ini sini or Delhi ni Jantar Mantar rock, so really by sini khad gumano, punukna ni bagai Indian government no. Punukna ni bagi sini orang putum lagi. Bila ang sana ani sini mong nikai James Dibarma ang present Young Tripura Association ni National Coordinators. Tai sini o jaga the main issue tangis ring Jantar Mantar onek kilometer haksal Tripura High State Delhi wa hai protest eba rally khanya ni na khamakai tuja demand kongo. Kaisa demand kai Citizenship Amendment Bill Act 2016 no se BJP government led by NDA thanai January 8 tarikh 2019 pass khlaika tai borok tabuk 2019 ni bisingono within this couple of months borok Rajya Sabha bo pass khaina ni bagai chaito gui tongo o chaito bukno selang mujano bo condemn khayo defy khayo tamni inke sung saimono judino Citizenship Amendment Bill Act pass kai Northeast especially Tripura High State the autochthonous people, the son of the soil, the indigenous people, the Tiprasa Bukubara, Hanai 2000 boshor ni like Gabang Tongi Tongai, Bosbas Kai, Borok ni existence Tongla, Borok extinction Unai, Tai Abuni responsible, the superintendent about Indian government no Unai. Tai Kaisa Kadumani Kok Kankai, what Citizenship Amendment Bill no Kasunani Bagai 8 January 2019 no sini Tiprasa Jakne Boshon sini autochthonous people of Tripura, son of the soil of Tripura, indigenous people of Tripura ro protest khlaikya thangna no musung jakmani bagai existence ni bagai pia like khaduman bisingtei apuru Tripura government ni bisingtei borong ni sakawo hamla khlaijaka shoot khlaijaka a shoot klaijakman bisingo soijon sini khazani takuk song je borok sini Tiprasani bisingni sini takuk song borok khaklabo buli nangjakmani bo kebang borok nor bugbi makna like dukong nani ko judi no Tripura government a rally no tuyoy a protest no tuyoy asno riot angja khangkai borok ni yago kebang process tong jeta naki parliamentary democratic way ti borok langnani bagai suddenly block straight away vote khainani it's not parliamentary or full constitution about right krai it violates IPC 141 section no pano se violate khai kalang kha tamni kai judi no rio den kan kai borok hoito water cannon use khai mano tear gas use khai mano lathi charge khai mano incidents abubo judi no as a protester ro clashing khainani chesta khlai ka kai se kintu sing like saimano video tongo evidence tongo kebo aroni bising the protest khai tongnai rok ni jago kuno gan kurei kuno lat aliti kurei sing peaceful babe rally khai tongmani Tripura government borok ni uporo amla khlai ka tai kaisa kok abon sei slaipan te dukku nang jane kok kai obo je buru a protester ro kok jakmani pore bongni langmano ban sirenani bagai hospital thangi tongro lama ka sui ambulance no ka sui borok অত্যাচার khlaika bukha khairo ge kare abo blake dukku nangmani kok seleng ma sincha kok biplop dev chief minister je present tongnai bono sung blake seleng janugo because sung undisputedly 2018 je buru BJP government rock center tongo sung sini state of borok no sung tubukha obo wan suguino je borok sini state of government form khai kai sini tiprasani bagai kaham klayene samung klayene kintu tini ek bosor kai sini sekangno borok clear babe funugui rekha je borok sungno naikol nani bagai kuno careness kre kuno solicitude kre kuno wari kre Awon bagai joto Tiprasa rokno umtu bo je kuno political party ni umtu je kuno bo student organization ni umtu je kuno bo kaise social organization ni sung joto no ya ba ya krom laiman bisingte o citizenship amendment bill no ka sunani bagai nung ang noga asugui tonya kare sung sini sakno sacrifice khlainani bulai ke dorkar tini sung right here at Jantar Mantoro sung obono start khaika sung promise khayo o start khaimani sung obono kuno dino buthak riya jei pojanto sini bisingo sung sanamo sung Tripura government no kok thu Indian government sinu borok kok di bom ready buthar de haipano sung je pojanto khoroksa Tibrasa gethang tongnai o chobano sung jari khlai tlangnai sung kuno dino ukrok usulya ukrok usulnani bagai sung o jaga protest khlainani bothainya tai sung sawo Indian government judino sungo nano naikol ungkai buthangnar musung ungkai borok dati paba decision naman bisingte o citizenship amendment bill no repeal khainani lagi hambai